So Kamado Joe is known for constant innovation. We're going to continue to roll out these beautiful and fun accessories like waves hitting the beach. Boom, 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 just constantly coming out with new stuff. Let's dive into some of my favorites. All right, today, first off, we're going to look at the Kamado Joe cast iron grate. I really love cooking on cast iron. I can remember growing up in Grandma's kitchen, and right off the bat, good weight to it, really nice quality. I can see two things that I'm really excited about. Look at how these tines come to a peak, okay? That was like precision searing right there. You can get great Maillard reaction, and it puts a little pressure and a deeper sear. But I can tell by holding this. Let's flip it over. Now on this side, we've got completely flat edges here, so I can get more connectivity. Things are going to be less likely to fall through the grill grates if I accidentally turn an asparagus the wrong way. And I really like this side for big bold sears on a steak. Okay, this is fun. Even a fish. That connectivity is going to allow the proteins to turn to sugar and release so that they don't stick. So I'm a big fan of the Kamado Joe cast iron grill grate. I think it's a great accessory to have right next to the stainless steel rack. And depending on what you're grilling and what temperature you're going for, this can be a great option for you. And of course, just like all the Half Moon accessories, we're just gonna sneak right into the divide and conquer, fitting perfectly there. And we can choose what level we want to put that on. So, absolutely stunning addition to the Kamado Joe accessory line.